Have you ever wondered how your computer reaches Google, YouTube, or Instagram? Your computer doesn't know the location of every network on the internet. So, what happens when it wants to send data outside its own network? That's where the default gateway comes in. The default gateway is the device that connects your local network to other networks. Now let's see how it works. Suppose your PC has the IP address 192.168.1.10 and your router has 192.168.1.1. The PC first checks whether the destination is on the same network. Since the destination is outside the local network, the PC sends the packet to the default gateway. The gateway receives the packet and forwards it toward the correct destination network. The packet may travel through several routers across the internet before finally reaching YouTube's server. The default gateway acts as the first stop for traffic leaving your network. Now, here's an important point. If the destination is inside the same network, the default gateway is not needed. For example, if PC A has IP address 192.168.1.10 and PCB has 192.168.1.20. Both devices belong to the same network, so they communicate directly. But if the destination is outside the network, the packet must go to the default gateway. Without a default gateway, devices can only communicate within their local network. You could access local printers and local PCs, but websites, cloud services, and internet applications would stop working. So remember this simple rule. Same network, send directly. Different network, send to the default gateway. That's exactly how your device reaches websites like YouTube, Google, and Instagram every day.